Discover Shipwreck Beads. Beads are cool, beads are fun. Explore the treasures, discover Shipwreck Beads.
There are so many different options when it comes to finishing off your necklace or your bracelet. I thought I would show you a relatively new item that we started carrying that makes a very, very, very beautiful finish on the end of your necklace or your bracelet, and also includes a clasp, which is kind of nice to have everything all in one. This is the EZ Crimp finding, and what's different about this is that the crimp tube is actually part of the clasp mechanism. So the way this operates is you insert your wire, and then taking your flat pliers, you would just press it together up the length of the wire, and it finishes the end of your bracelet or your necklace. In this case, I have one that's partially completed. And what you want to do, because doing the first end is easy, the second end takes a little bit of a challenge because you want to leave yourself enough wire to work with. So you want to put a little bend in the end of the wire and then work that through the crimp until it pops out the other side, as you can see, as it does here. Use your pliers to then snug that down against the rest of your beads. Then you can go ahead and crimp like you did the other side, and then you would just trim this wire as close as you can to the crimp itself. And there you go. As you can see, I've used that on this necklace, and it just has a really nice finished look, and it also incorporates your clasp as well as your crimp. So thank you for joining me.